Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to onside kick successfully in college football 27. If you are trying to recover an onside kick, keep in mind this is one of the riskiest plays in the game. There's never a guaranteed way to get the ball back, but with the right setup and a little practice, you can definitely improve your chances. First, remember that the football has to travel at least 10 yards before your team is allowed to recover it. If it doesn't reach that distance, the ball automatically goes to your opponent. So getting the distance right is the most important part. Head into the kickoff menu and select the onside kick option. If you are playing online, a good time to try this is right at the start of the game. A lot of players will come out in the 5-4-2 return left formation, and that's one of the better formations to use this strategy against. If they are using a different return formation, don't worry, the same basic technique still works. You may just need to make small adjustments to your aim depending on how the return team is lined up. Once you are lined up, switch to the high kick by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, then adjust the kick direction so the aiming arrow is pointing slightly to the right, just like this. Now watch the kick meter carefully. Try to stop the accuracy marker in the yellow section on the left side. After that, use about half power on the kick. Getting both the accuracy and power right will give the ball the best chance to land where your coverage team can recover it. Don't use too much power. If you kick it too deep, the return team will usually get to the ball first and you lose your chance to recover the onside kick. The best way to get consistent results is to spend a few minutes in practice mode, try different timing and power levels until you find what works best for you. Just remember, onside kicks are always a gamble and there is no guaranteed way to recover one every time. With enough practice though, you can definitely improve your success rate. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.